The first quarter, on the top left corner, shows permanently the machine silhouette and the combine main working parameters. Starting from the front, you will see the current header height and the current set point, guidance status, differential lock status, rotor speed, concave clearance, fan speed, top and bottom sieve position, grain tank level, engine load, and current unloading ratio. In the bottom of it, in the squares, usually are shown main machine errors, working gear, automation status, and the parking brake position. Clicking on the quarter, the shortcut function will link you directly to the machine settings menu, in which you can set each parameter independently. On this page, starting from the top, you will see the crop type and the settings name. Look for machine settings tutorial video to learn how to change these parameters and properly set your ideal. Following that, you will find the setting boxes for rotor speed, concave clearance, fan speed, and top and bottom sieve position. You can adjust the settings directly through the touchscreen by clicking on the chosen parameter and typing the required settings in from the keypad menu. Confirm your chosen setting by clicking on the green tick icon. You can also adjust the combine parameters with the keypad on the side of the terminal. Use the arrow buttons to move between the settings you want to adjust, and then change it using the scroll wheel. Remember also that the machine settings can be adjusted directly from the armrest, as well by clicking the green buttons. On the right side of this quarter, you will see specific icons that will lead you to yield parameters or crop settings. We will see them later. If you click on the return icon, you will get to the combined main menu that we will see later. To get back to the terminal main menu, click on the Home button on the terminal keypad.